Salutation to the big man, Ras Seymour McLean from the Ethiopian World Federation. Rest in Zion.
Rastafari, greetings Addis Ababa. Yes, still in Addis Ababa. Kasanji's man Haria. Yes, still in Arat Kilo Tafari Makanan.
Rise up, this is the type of education. Come, let me rise up. Ras Seymour McLean, a well-known advocate for the return of priceless Ethiopian artifacts and hundreds of books and manuscripts of Ethiopian history.
They went to Ethiopia on the 13th of April 1868, and it was Easter Day, and then lit the church heavy. Then burned down the capital city and then thief out every single thing that them can find. The Ethiopians were armed with their customary spears and bow and arrow. The British had over 6 million bullets, the latest Snyder repeating rifles, the latest artillery. They had elephants to transport the artillery, they had mules, they had all the latest equipment. The Ethiopians, in the own British record, them say them annihilate the Ethiopians because they were armed with spears. They, the British army, said they annihilated the Ethiopians. And all this can be found in the record, an official record was drawn up for the Secretary of State for War in 1870. The expedition to Ethiopia, compiled for the Secretary of State for War. It's a 2-volume manuscript. It's got all the maps, it's got all the detail of how the army went to, the equipment that they used, what they did and how they burned the capital city to the ground, how they looted the churches and the property that was taken. It's all written down in the British official record.
Rastafari, Selassie, Marcus Garvey, and his journey to the ancestors. When I would have a Book Liberator, Ras Seymour, give me a star.
He was also best known an activist for the recognition of land given by Emperor Haile Selassie to Jamaican Rasta men and women who wished to return to their spiritual homeland in Shashamane. Ras Seymour was also a regular campaigner who would attend most public events when Jamaican government ministers were visiting the UK, pleading for the assistance to the Rastafarians who had set up home in Shashamane but were neglected by the Ethiopian government. I strongly feel that his campaign should continue and that all leaders of Africa have a duty and responsibility to look into the affairs of what had been stolen out of Africa and that the artifacts and books be returned. We, the people from the diaspora, also have a duty to continue with the works Ras Seymour has started. For his work is for our children's future and their spiritual and historical inheritance. Ras Seymour must be honoured for the works he has done, and I strongly feel that it is fitting that his name be mentioned in the Hall of Fame of great black heroes and sheroes, amongst those many, many great ones who has fought for peace, equal rights and justice.
You can achieve in yourself, youth man, just believe again with hard work. You can achieve with education. You can achieve with enough dedication. You can achieve in yourself, Empress, just believe me, tell them so.
Ras Seymour McLean has left us with a legacy which has to be honoured and respected. On the 6th of November, Ras Seymour McLean would have had his 64th birthday.
Let me tell you a story about a Ras